Changing the color of the different entities of the drawing is very easy in Dibac Professional. One way is to choose a color beforehand. This way, whatever I draw or insert in the drawing will be defined with that color. I can also change the color of any existing entity. For this, I need to previously select those items and then choose a new color. If I want to create a new color, I have to open the color bar and choose Other. I can create or choose a new color. Once I have accepted, it will be available in the list. White is the default color in Dibac. The lines drawn with this color will be black if the background is white. However, if I change the background color to black, the lines will be white.